House in Cauquén by Federico Craig plus Jesica Bava in LA Plata, Argentina. The house is conceived as a prism leaning against the south side of a square corner lot of approximately 30 m on each side, releasing a large void towards good orientation. The absence of pre-existing vegetation, a condition of new private urbanizations in the periphery, made it necessary to design a porous house that includes a large number of intermediate shaded spaces. A metallic grid of eye profiles, painted matte black, inscribes not only the geometry of the proposal but also a virtual volume that includes terraces, galleries, voids, and green patios. In this way, all interior spaces open frankly to the north with the protection that these spaces provide. The south face, blinder, capitalizes on the mandatory perimeter withdrawal from upper continuous windows that guarantee cross-ventilation in both the social ground floor and the first floor, where the private areas are located. The mixed construction system allowed development of the work in stages, as required by the client. First, the total structure of the building was built, starting with the dry assembly of the metal structure. In situ concrete slabs were later linked to this three-dimensional matrix.